So today's experiment is going to be bouncy or rubber egg. Should I say rubber or bouncy? Today's experiment is going to be a rubber bouncy egg. It's not exactly going to be rubber, but it's going to be bouncy and it's going to feel like rubber. So you first put the egg in the cup. Very carefully, it cannot crack. Oh yeah, right. Start. Hello! Today's experiment is going to be a rubber bouncy egg. It's not exactly rubber, but it'll feel like rubber and it'll be bouncy. So, the stuff you need is an egg that is not cracked, a cup enough to hold an egg, and then vinegar. First put the egg in the cup and make sure it doesn't crack. And then open the vinegar's cap and then pour enough vinegar to, let's see, fill the egg, like enough to cover the egg. You have to have 3.4 say. Do you think that's enough? It's apple cider vinegar, but we don't know it would work, but it's still vinegar, so we're trying it. Just vinegar is just going to be white. This is apple cider. And then you put it in the refrigerator. Wait a minute, let me put it there. Wait a second, before I put it in the refrigerator, I need to show you guys. The vinegar is apple cider, so there's color, and my egg is like almost the same color of the apple cider, so it's kind of hard to see, but there's really small cool bubbles. Oh my gosh. So the bubbles form because when the vinegar is trying to melt off the egg's shell, it tries to push through it. So that's what it's trying to do right now. So, so after 24 hours, we're going to take it out and carefully put it out. But that's on the next video. So, let's see. Bye. 다시 봐보세요. 3시간이 지난 상황인데요. 여기 위에 까만 hours, but look, the skin's almost all peeled off. Now the color's kind of different. Oh, is there bubbles still here? Oh, the bubbles are still here. There's something freak out 됐어요. 보니까 보이죠? 그게 버블 보이죠? 버블이 보이죠? Hello, back again. In the last video, I said that we'll have to put more vinegar and refresh it, but I think we shouldn't do that. We kept it for 3 days, almost 3 days I think, and then we're going to take it out. We should wash it. Wait a second, we're gonna wash it. 크라크 계속 커지고 있어.
가만히 놔두는데?
응.
보여줘, 카메라에다가.
It's keeping on cracking up. 어떡해.
어? 보여줬어?
크랙 되고 있어. 잘 안
좀 더
보여.
올려줘봐.
It's cracking. 이게 크랙하고 있어요. 너무 헐에 있으면 안 되나 봐요. 아니면 apple cider vinegar에서 크랙하고 있나 봐요. 잘 안 보이겠지만. Okay.
자.
We're going to try bouncing it, but it's cracked, so we don't know what will happen. Let's see. The part peeled off, the brown part peeled off, the shell peeled off because vinegar is an acid, but it isn't soft acid, so it doesn't burn through us or hard kind of stuff like the wood or metal or something like that. But the shell is made out of 탄산 thingy. But so that is a skinny type of thing, so it can burn through it. It's an acid. So let's see. Where's the crack? Oh. Oh. 조그맣게 요만큼 괜찮고 요만큼 괜찮고 요만큼 괜찮고 요만큼 괜찮고 요만큼 Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. This is super duper cool. It's like Jello. It's super duper like Jello. It's stuck together. Look, if you smush this, oh my gosh, that's so cool. This is Jello, I think, well, watery Jello, and then these are stuck together with some kind of thingy. So I think if you move this, the other thing moves. If you move this, this thing moves. Cool. Shellish thing. And then I don't get it. It's Jello, but it's liquidy Jello. So you can't move it like actual Jello, but it's still Jello. This is so cool. Do you know why it's so cool? It's liquid, looks like liquid, feels like liquid, but if you bounce it, it's like Jello. Maybe that's why it's bouncy. But you can't move it since it's like liquid. And it's very, very, very cool. If you look at this, look at this thing. If I move the yellow thing, all of the liquid Jello moves with it, even the bottom parts. So if I move this, this doesn't move. But if I move this moves. So cool. Oh, it popped. How very cool. It's smushy. So everybody, the day before yesterday and today, we made a rubber egg, which is bouncy but splats when you smash it hard. This time I did this much and it splatted, but next time, to make it funnier, I'm going to grab it here and spat it on the ground. Oh. See you next video, or see you next time. Which would be, what would it be? It would be, what should it be? It's going to be another thing. I'm not going to spoil for you, but it's going to be something about an vinegar. And not a spoiled egg, but eggs. Milk and vinegar, just milk and vinegar. Just vinegar, and then everyone will have white milk at home. So white milk and vinegar. Bye.